2017 Volkswagen Golf. You want to reset the maintenance reminders. What you're going to end up doing is you're just going to end up holding this button down and turning the key forward until it gives you it'll give you an indication right here if you want to reset. You're going to let go of the button and then you're going to press and hit the button again and it'll let you reset it. I'll show you how that works. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, so forgive me if I have to put the camera down for a second. Let's see if I can set this up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold. I'm going to turn the key forward. Then I'm going to let go. I'm going to hit the button again. And that was it. It's that simple. Okay, it's kind of fast. I'll see if I can do it again. Okay. Okay, car off, engine off, everything off. Hold. Hold. Key forward. Don't start it. Let it go. Hit the button. Okay, and it's that simple.